Here we have a modified Bridgeport. I believe this is 6056. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, packs a lot of punch in the 1456 square foot. And these are hickory cabinets with a stone stain. These are Pella Lifestyle doors. So you'll have the wood versus white versus black. You'll have total wood stain. It comes to us raw and we stain it the exact same color as your cabinets. I'm going to go close in on this. So hickory can be a very wild wood. When it's natural, it can have a lot of variation in color. But when you put a darker stain on it, it's actually a very nice, if you like a nice rustic look, this would definitely be something I consider. Stone hickory stained cabinets. Savannah 15 doors. And this home has tape on everything because it's about ready to be shipped. There you have your trash can, Lazy Susan. So we will tape everything up to keep the doors stable during shipping. This is non-staggered cabinets. So if you want a straight look, you might choose to have non-staggered cabinets. I want to show this because they chose to, which is really great. Just a little divider that you can have added for your baking pans. All the doors in this are also ready to go, so I can't open most of them. This is what we do. We add this at the bottom to keep all of our doors shut during shipping. This is the laundry, so you'd come in and there is a laundry. Here's all your cabinets, which are quite a few. And their master bathroom has plenty of space with 2 linens. So each person would have their own linen, which is such a great idea. I absolutely love that. Plenty of space, single sink vanity, and plenty of space for each person to have their own things out on each side of the sink too. Great idea. This is an onyx shower. Let's see if I turn on this light, we can see it a little bit better. Here we have an onyx shower. Handicap rails built in. The stool will go right there. So a full onyx shower with a built-in, I think that's a Liberty caddy for all your shampoos, etc. We also tape up all the vents there so no dust gets into your house during shipping. This is the master bedroom, and boy, does this have light. If you like this plan, you might choose to do 3 windows above the bed right there. I love all the windows in here though. It definitely gives off a lot of light. You have a nice walk-in closet, which is great for a 1456 square foot plan. As a matter of fact, all the closets are walk-ins in this plan. Built-in shelves. So we really packed a punch with double pulls there and shelving in a closet. Craftsman trim along here. And I want to show this. Not everybody wants a basement. You need to save money. You want a crawl space. This one has space for the water heater. Heating, etc. in a closet. Front door. 3 windows in the living room. Dining area. Here's your second bathroom off of the other two bedrooms. This has really nice shelving in it. You may choose to do a linen there or a closet. They chose shelving. It actually looks beautiful. And here's the vanity. Or you could not have some of that space, do a smaller linen and have a larger vanity here if you chose to. This is a great spot for a pantry, whatever else you may want to store. I can't open that second door, but that's great shelving. It looks really nice. And this is a walk-in closet here. You may choose to do 2 shelves in something like this unless you have a lot of hanging clothes. Solid core doors. This color really is leaning gray. Stone is leaning gray. No reds, no oranges. Lifestyle windows look really nice. Boy, is this a complete look. You get a really good view of it. Casement windows, which are great in the wind. So the whole window is wood. And the walk-in closet there, and we'll go back, show you the kitchen one last time.